The Bitcoin market is volatile, and we're all in for a crazy ride. Bitcoin is now experiencing one of its least volatile periods ever. How shocking is that to you? The calm before the storm, so to speak. Today, we'll be exploring the implications of this finding for the cryptographic world. You, my friends, deserve to know every detail, every pulse, and every heartbeat of this market, and if we take a look at XRP, the pulse of the market, we see that it is expressing a similar feeling. Because, let's be real, it might be a lot to take in. Welcome back Coin Lady channel, the best place to learn about XRP. If you're enjoying our content, why not subscribe and sound the bell to be notified immediately whenever there is a new post or comment related to XRP. Leave your thoughts in the comments and show some support by giving this a thumbs up. The SEC's request that Coinbase suspend all cryptocurrency trading save for Bitcoin has generated a flurry of media attention. However, my investigation indicates that this is not a recently released tune. It's a tune you might remember from before all the legal drama. So, relax and breathe deeply. Despite the market's apparent unease, this news isn't breaking. Think about that for a second. Bitcoin's volatility levels are at their lowest point since early 2018. Moreover, in the year 2023, after these dips, Bitcoin tends to recover and soar by 92% in 2023 and then crash by 52% in 2018. The future may be cloudy, but one thing is certain. We are on the cusp of a profound change. And if Bitcoin goes up, you'd better hold on to your hats, because altcoins like XRP might be headed for the moon. This may be the chance of a lifetime for investors. When I think of XRP, I think of how its price fluctuates between 58 cents and about 72 cents, and I feel a connection to it. It's been teasing that line of support, touching it once, twice, 3 times, and now, for a 4th time, like a heart pounding against the passage of time. The prospect of that boundary being crossed makes my heart race. Each touch feels weaker than the last with the exhausted bulls. Reminiscent of the fatigue felt by the soldiers on the front lines. Now that we've witnessed the fight, all we can do is wait. Readying themselves for action. When I move, the voices get louder. People often joke that my hands are made of paper. Well, here's the rub. I've learned to just let their criticisms go off my back. Clearly, my hands may not be made of diamonds. But my heart is as pure as a diamond. I'm extremely committed to my current lifestyle. The thrill is in the game, but I trade meme currencies and alternative currency like XRP. Holding on is only half the battle, the other half is knowing when to cut your losses. I'm building a legacy, not simply a fortune. It's a way for me to put money into stocks and other real-world objects. The thrill of seeing an investment double, the joy of getting out at the correct time, and the satisfaction of watching my strategy play out are all reasons why I continue to invest in real estate and safeguard my future. For many, the clearing in the storm symbolized by the settlement of the SEC Ripple litigation was the indication that now is our time. When you take a step back and compare XRP to Bitcoin and Ethereum, you'll see that its future is bright and shiny, just like the sun rising after the darkest night, if you dare to glimpse into it. And lo and behold, XRP stands tall as the third titan with its majestic $30+ billion market cap, and let's not forget Ripple's revolutionary potential dismantling boundaries, enabling seamless cross-border transactions, and doing so faster, cheaper, and better. As time progresses, this venture, this vision, is set to blossom, casting a global mark and causing ripples of prowess. Countries are taking notice, industry are leaning in, and the very foundation of the economy is poised to embrace the digital currency Ripple, created by CBDCs. XRP is the driving force behind this ambitious scheme. This isn't a light conversation at all. I might have jumped on at 83 cents, and other people have jumped on much sooner than that. How shocking is that to you? You can always start over. At its current price of 70 cents, XRP is still a lucrative investment. By 2023, I expect XRP to have risen to at least $1.30, if not $1.40. In 2030, I'm staring at an unbelievable $1.20 or $1.25, and in 2025, I'm staring at a mind-boggling $345. The community's pulse quickens to the rhythm of the drums, while it is growing at this time. I didn't come here to discuss about this video with my buddies. Consider it a rallying cry. An alarm, a resounding call. Now is the time to buy low and sell high. We've heard it before, but have we really taken it to heart? Now, the Treasury Manager at Wells Fargo is here to make a bold proclamation. He thinks XRP might, dare I say it, rocket to an incredible $500 in just 7 months, so hold on to your hats. Give that some time to sink in. Have you felt the excitement yet? Even with my bullish view, a surge to $500 in XRP seems out of this world. I'm no stranger to XRP. In fact, XRP strands are woven deep throughout my portfolio. He thinks it will cost anywhere from $100 to $500. In the not-too-distant future, this would mean a skyrocketing increase of 14,000 to 71,000%. Just thinking about it now gives me the willies, but let's face it, forecasts like these are always blowing around us like autumn leaves. Coins are worth $10,000 today and only $528 tomorrow. Who knows what will happen tomorrow? My honest feelings are as follows. If XRP can even come close to its all-time high of $3, I will be overjoyed. There is where I plan to take in my earnings and stash away some of my moon money for the future. Undisturbed and untouched. What if it suddenly jumps to, say, $500? Imagine, if only for a second, that you invest $10,000 in XRP and it immediately doubles in value. The feeling of elation you'd have is hard to put into words, because that success would be the icing on the cake of a whirlwind of predictions, hopes, and dreams. Let's pretend, shall we, that it reaches its former peak of $3, the sentimental all-time high, even if only in our dreams. Just like that, you've gone from having no XRP to having $50,000 worth of it in the blink of an eye. Now comes the enchantment. After taking out your $40,000 profit, all you have left is $10,000 to ride out the waves on. If the market fails, you still stand to win from your initial investment and its reverberation. If, and this is a huge if, XRP reaches the outlandish estimates of $50, $100, or even $500, then that $10,000 would become a game-changing sum. Count with me here, a 30x increase from $10,000 to $300,000 is possible due to a surge to $100. The beauty of trading is that dreams and risks are intertwined. After pocketing the initial profits, you immediately, worry-free, risk-free, you could be looking at a life-changing $340,000 from a little $10,000 leap of faith. Anything is possible. If it rises, great. If it falls, too bad. You may stop celebrating now, money is pouring in. After the tidal wave of losses in the bear market of 2018 to 2019, this strategy has been my guiding light. Every subsequent bull market has found me adopting this method, but I never lose sight of the fact that the future is inherently unpredictable. The price of XRP could reach new heights, or it could remain stuck below the magic $3 threshold forever. But isn't it part of the game's excitement? How do you feel about this crazy plan? Share your ideas with the community below. Always keep in mind that there is a lesson to be learned from every narrative and every tactic. I am not a certified financial planner, so please keep that in mind. These videos are intended solely for amusement purposes. Before making any major financial decisions, I always tell viewers to do their own research and talk to experts. We appreciate your listening. A thumbs up and a subscription will show your appreciation for the video. You may be the first to know when I upload new content if you enable notifications, so please do that. See you later, bye.